I cried, I wept, I lost my mind. I held my tongue to the closing time. And who's to blame for all this mess? Well, it's only me for the words I'm blessed. But I don't have time to change my love. And all my thoughts on what this could have been, well, they rain down from above. And I don't have strength to find my dear, that I've wasted all my glory days. Well, that's all I have to fear. I cried, I wept, I lost my mind. I held my tongue to the closing time. And who's to blame for all this mess? Well, it's only me for the words I'm blessed. I swore to God I would not yield. I broke my back in the open field. But when they came for blood, well, I offered my neck like a good boy should. But I don't have words to use, my friend, when the ghost of all this ever was, well, they're waiting in the end. And I don't want stories told in time, saying that we stood upon the brink of this, but we failed to cross the line. I cried, I wept, I lost my mind. I held my tongue to the closing time. And who's to blame for all this mess? Well, it's only me for the words I'm blessed. Maybe that's the way it goes, oh, litanies of summer shows and rolling eyes and told you so's, and suddenly the sky comes falling down through the drain pipe. I promise it's alright.